Dude! Stop, dude! He's pushy.
Konnichiwa. We're on the journey to the Todaiji Temple in Nara, Japan, on Trip Out with Sadie and Rand Tom. The journey to Todaiji Temple in Nara, Japan was at first from adventurous and exciting to a peaceful and spiritual experience. From Tokyo to Nara by the fastest and most efficient trains in the world, the Shinkansen Bullet Train. Before going to Todaiji, we stopped at Nakatanidou-Mochi, located about a mile away from the temple. There, it was exhilarating to watch how they prepared the mochi before serving it to customers. Then it was onward to Nara Park, where we were greeted by furry locals, the Nara Deers.
It like bit me a little. Oh, the herd is after you, Shuno.
Afterwards, we finally reached Todaiji, one of the powerful 7 great temples in Japan. Inside, you'll find historical artifacts, recreated structures, and enormous statues dating back as far as the 8th century. It was more than meets anyone's eyes. Truly extraordinary.